Sometimes the links to your data become broken. You can tell they're broken by the red exclamation points. You can check to see where ArcMap is looking for the data. Right mouse button and pick Properties. Review the Source tab. Here you see the path to the geodatabase and feature class. You can correct this layer by using the Set Data Source button and browse to your state's feature class. This will correct the states layer. There's another method that may correct all the layers. Right mouse button on one and pick Data, Repair Data Source. Browse to the feature class. This will correct all the layers that have that same path. From that geodatabase. I hope this helps.